Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Your fellow GM is here to share some more information in the shape of miscellaneous MCQs about William Wordsworth, the Romantic poet. Once again, I am here. Shortly, I have made a video about miscellaneous MCQs about William Wordsworth for FPSC exams and PPSC exams, and for other like GAT subject or GAT journal. Now I am going to share more information about William Wordsworth, the Romantic poet, miscellaneous questions. See the first slide here, miscellaneous questions, MCQs on William Wordsworth, the Romantic poet. See here, William Wordsworth, 1770 and 1850, miscellaneous question, episode number 2, which PhD scholars. William Wordsworth, back in England from the tour of France, he founded conservative opinion against French Revolution. The rise of Napoleon made Wordsworth opponent to French Revolution. Lyrical Ballad 1798 marked both the development of romanticism and naturalism. When he turned against French Revolution, a sense of sanctity of past became prominent in his poetry. Wordsworth wrote the principal object proposed in this poem was to choose incident and situation from common life in the preface to second publication of Lyrical Ballad. The poem The Excursion is included in his philosophical poetry. In his poem, he has chosen the theme of common life. He is the greatest poet of the country and nature life. He is called the keenest eyed of all modern poets for what is deep and essential in life. Every touch in his poetry is the result of direct observation. In his ode, Intimation of Immortality, he gives expression to high ideal and philosophy of life. In his poetry, the embodiment of divine spirit is nature. In his ode, Intimations of Immortalities, his most cherished belief is that our earliest institutions are the truest. His poem, Beauty and Simplicity are about nature. He is famous for his lyrics, sonnet, short description, and odes. His longer poems are prosy and uninteresting. He, in 1805, finished his Prelude, which are autobiographical. The Excursion is the second book of the poem Recluse, written by him. The poem Excursion is written in 1814. Tennyson said about him that he uttered nothing base. He died in 1850 at the age of 80 years. The video continues, but due to some problems, I finished here. Wait for the third episode and stay connected by subscribing my channel. Thanks buddy. Allah Hafiz.